government of Manipur will organize Cane for Units Disability ID. Minister Awang Nyumai and Wangkay Constituency MLA Tanzam Arun Kumar inspected Infal River Bank at Hatta, Golapati and Namhanpong. Hello, good evening. You're watching Pony TV English News. I'm Christina and now the news in detail. Social Welfare Department Government of Manipur has been organizing a camp in various parts of Manipur for units Disabilities ID. SPDPO President Muhammad Yunus Khan appealed to all disabled to participate in the camp. He said this UDID can be used all over India. For now, UDID assessment camp will be held at Kurkul Mayai Community Hall on May 17, Samurao Awang Laikai Community Hall on May 18, Nambol Sabal Laikai Community Hall on May 19, and Office of Department for Women Program Center Tobal Wang Mataba on May 23 and Kumam Mandop Moirang on May 25. He also appeals to all those disability certificate holders to apply for this new certificate.
District chapter disabled single Kuruchana with the unit disability idea, disabled single chapter, disabled Saliba Sabali, Adu, Tokayama, Pakali, the Manipur syllable, disabled in a Kudimon, I go Kudon Jamasi, Lominasi, Amasu, a Koi Adu, but Taxi as if I talk to the Koi, Kana, Bako, disabled single whisky, Kayamasin of the Kala, Kadabani, Amasu, I never Saliba, a city only the Iowa, the Channel, but Saliba, the Sina Kudimon, social department, syllabus, but the chapter to the Kudon Jama.
Water level in most of the rivers in Manipur has risen up due to continuous rainfall. Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management Minister Awang Nyumai and Wangkay Constituency MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar inspected Infal River at Hatta, Golapati and Namthanpong. Apart from repairing the river bank, construction of retaining wall in the river bank will begin soon after the amount has been sanctioned, said Minister Awang Nyumai. Chief Minister N. Biren supported the Safe Soil movement initiated by Indian spiritual leader and founder of ISA Foundation, Sadhguru, today. He further stated that with the rapid changes of climatic condition and global warming, it is a good initiative for the betterment of the future generation and climate change.
Manipur has a rich biodiversity and has been blessed abundantly by Mother Nature. But like the rest of the world, we can see the way in which climate change and the global warming is affecting our soil. The Safe Soil movement journey that you are undertaking is a very important to address climate change and the global warming. I want to let you know that this issue is very close to my heart too. I stand by the Safe Soil movement in its endeavor to take care of Mother Earth and make the world a better place for our future generation.
Department of Mathematics, Dhanmanjari University, DMU, issued the date of the pre-PhD entrance test. It is said the entrance test will be held on May 25 at the department. The notification was issued by head in charge of Department of Mathematics, DMU, Dr. M. Kubar Singh, and informed that interview and synopsis presentation of the qualified candidates will be held on May 30 at the department itself. The admit card of the said entrance test will be available from May 20 onward, said the notification. National Students Union of India NSUI activists attacked BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra with ink and tomatoes near the Jadeswari Chowk of Puri on Wednesday. Patra was in the city to lodge his protest against the ongoing construction activity around Jagannath Temple under the Puri Sri Mandir Heritage Corridor project. The BJP leader was returning from Puri when members of Congress Youth Wing allegedly hurled tomatoes and blue ink at his vehicle. Let's take a short break. Keep watching. Welcome after the break. Manipur Cricket Association MCA has postponed the remaining cricket matches of the 6 MNCA W Prahlada and W Ramananda Elite Tournament 2021. It is said the remaining 25 to 30 matches has been postponed due to bad weather conditions until further notice. In a statement, MCA said that the revised fixture of the tournament will be released shortly. CM N. Biren Singh chaired a meeting with Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Singh, L. Susindro Meitei, H. Dingo Singh, MLAs L. Rameshwar Singh, Jagat Thaudam Consultant, Manipur Startup Cell, and discussed about various arenas of opportunities in the field of health, tourism, fisheries, and many more. In the meeting, they discussed about the method that Manipur government need to practice to ease the functioning of business in these sectors for entrepreneurs of the state. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attended a PowerPoint presentation for upgradation of Kumanlampao Sports Complex today. The presentation was held by Grand Hotel Group at the Cabinet Hall of CM's Secretariat, which was also attended by Ministers Works Govindas Kontosam, Principal Secretary and Director of YAS, and concerned officials of the state government. Lungreizang Village Chairman P. Matthew Ning appealed the concerned authority to help in searching Langchungpai Kamay. Speaking at the press meet held at Lungreizang Village in Kalinagar, Jiribam District, the said one Langchungpai Kamay, aged 33, son of Ningthau Kamay of Maryland, drowned at Jiri River yesterday. And since then, a search operation has been going on, but to no success. The incident occurred yesterday at around 12 noon. Further, he said Langchungpai Kamay had come to Jiribam for his personal work, and a written application has been submitted to Jiribam DC and SP. Rongmay Naga Council Manipur RNCM Jiribam area and residents of the village helped in search operation of Langchungpai Kamay.
Manata, Rajang had a time to be massive in the back. Maram, doing borrow the name, like that. All the pain of Mayam, I will bring it. I will also, most of the times, the call you ago, so now they try to be again found request for the movement for something. I said, well, sometime I'm going to be Masara say, Syria was a payment of the letter, but Syria was a great body to Hanana. Saka, the country division,
Before we wrap up the bulletin, let's look to the headlines once again. Social Welfare Department Government of Manipur will organize camp for units disabilities ID. Minister Awangbo Nyumay and Wangkei Constituency MLA Tangzam Arun Kumar inspected Imphal River Bank at Hata, Golapati and Namthang. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.